First, let me show you how my Android phone looks right now. You can see the home screen, the menus and all the apps. This is the normal default look. Now I am going to change this using Niagara Launcher, and trust me, it's going to look clean, modern and super customized. I'll show you everything step by step. So first, let's open the app. When you open it, it will take a few seconds to load. So just wait for a moment. Once the loading is complete, you will see a brand new interface on your screen. And now I will guide you through exactly what to do. This setup is going to give your phone a really beautiful, attractive and minimalist look. After that, click on agree and continue button. Now on this page, the app will ask you to choose your favorite app. For this demo, I will selecting WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, phone and Chrome, also Snapchat. Once you select your apps, click on the done button. After that, you will see an option to switch your default launcher. This means your phone will now change from the old launcher to Niagara Launcher. Set Niagara as your default launcher, and once you do that, your phone will instantly look like this. Now guys, don't worry, if you ever want to go back to your old look, you can easily change it later. Just find from here Google Play Store and uninstall Niagara Launcher. As you can see, all the apps we selected are now showing up automatically. From here, you can also view all your apps in alphabetical order A, B, C, so everything is clean and easy to find. But that's not all. Niagara also gives you helpful tips on how to make your phone faster. If you click on the gadget option and enable this setting, your phone will become more optimized step by step. Now you will also see an option that says customize your phone with new theme. Now you will also see an option that says customize your phone with new themes. Yes, Niagara provides different of themes. If you want to make your phone even more minimal and stylish, you can choose from many themes. Some of them are free, and if you want more advanced design, you can go for the premium subscription. With premium, you get even more customization options. You can choose any theme based on your personal style. For example, if I apply this theme right now, you can see how my entire phone changes. The icon change, the app logo change, everything looks like fresh and modern. Niagara Launcher is perfect for people who love simple, clean and minimalist phones. If you like a distraction-free setup, this is one of the best launcher you can try. And just to be clear, this is not a sponsored or promotional video. This is a genuine useful video to help you customize and secure your phone. On this channel, I regularly share videos about Android customization, security and the latest 2026 updates. So if you want to keep your phone safe, fast and stylish, make sure to subscribe. That's why you will get useful tips in short eyes to understand videos, and you will always stay updated with the best features for your phone.